Today is Monday, January 16th. The time is 11:52 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2010 Panini Limited box break number 4. Good luck, everybody. Paul Caruso, Vikings, serial number 256 out of 499. Dwayne Bowe, Chiefs, serial number 423 out of 499. Mohamed Masquagi, serial number 20 out of 50 for the Browns. Carson Palmer for the Bengals, serial number 65 out of 100. Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay Packers. Looks like it was supposed to be a jersey. There is no jersey in there, just a pen mark. That's for the Green Bay Packers. It's number 76 out of 199. Adrian Peterson, jersey for the Vikings, serial numbered 14 out of 50. We have a redemption, material monikers, number 18. And let's see if we can see who that goes to. Looks like that is Gail Sears. And the last one, Matt Ryan for the Falcons, serial number 459 out of 499. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. If you look up my other box breaks, you will see for 2011 football, I have box breaks of Finest, Gold Standard, Top Supreme, Triple Threads, Absolute, Crown Royale, and I will be posting later on today 2010 Panini Limited, 2010 Crown Royale, and if anyone's interested in hockey, for both 2011 and 2012, I have both artifacts and certified.